activating their devices, ready for launch, ready for liftoff. MotoGP has been off for 5 weeks for a summer break, but we are back now, and we are alive and kicking. The green flag waves, 28 laps.
Full race.
Not the start that Fabio Quattro was looking for. I think that was Aleix Espargaro mid-pack who had a big moment coming out of turn one on the gas. He was out of the street. That cost a couple of other riders time. Martin, though, it is from pole that leads. Bagnaia second. Mir got a great start in third. Quattararo there and Marquez side by side. Wide from Martin as well. Oh, it's a bit messy through turn three. Good start from Maverick Vinales there as well. Look, we're on board with Quattararo. Vinales has made up a bunch of places to get in the top six. Yeah, best start of the season for Maverick Vinales. A start he had to make. 9th to 6th place, missing out with Joan Zarco. He's going the wrong way. He's trying to keep himself inside the top 10. There's a big moment for Aleix Espargaro, who's threatened to split up the pack out of turn one. Alex Rins made a great start as well. He's just up behind Joan Zarco. He's into 8th. Miller did not get away well. He's down to 9th ahead of Taka Nakagami. Oh, Marquez aggressive, super aggressive up the inside of turn 7 on Fabio Quattararo. Renshaw Honda coming through. Merciless from Marquez. He now starts to charge towards the track. He's ahead of him. Here comes Mir as well, and Maverick Vinales also going through on Fabio Quattararo. Quattararo fighting back again on his teammate there. Yeah, that was tight between Vinales and Quattararo through turns 9 and 10. Frenetic and frantic action already here in Austria. Taco Bagnaia will lead the way. Mir's got himself up into second place. Brilliant first lap from the Suzuki man. He's already recovered 3 spots. Up the hill we go then. Taco Bagnaia, it is the lead. Look at the speed now of Jorge Martin as he'll try and fight back and get second place back. He does on Mir. Can Mir get him again though on the brakes? No, he cannot. Fabio Quattararo again having to try and dispose of his teammate Maverick Vinales. I don't know where to look here. Who was that going wide? Was it Nakagami? Yes, suddenly was really wide. It looked like the LCR Honda man was starting in 10th place now. Then Vinales and Quattararo, blue on blue here, having a real good tussle. Mir's is really hot into turn 4. He's going to lose a place to Jorge Martin and to Marc Marquez as well. Rare mistake from the world champ. He's coming straight back again though. Look at that contact! Oh wow! Into turn 6! You don't do that! Marquez then gets punted back a few places. Quattararo picks them off while they're napping as well. Yeah, I don't know whether Quattararo picked up Mir and then Mir just had nowhere to go and nudged Marquez. I would like to see a replay of that one, but as we said, this is now Moto3, but MotoGP. Stunning action here in Stivia already. It does show you though the ruthlessness of Joan Mir. It really does. He does not care one jot who it is. No, he packs a punch. If you pass him, you better make it stick because you know it's coming straight back at you. On to the start, finish straight. A great start to this Grand Prix already then. It's Bagnaia who leads from Martin with Quattararo now up into 3rd again. Mir in 4th, then Vinales and Marquez in 6th. Has not been the start of the Gala was looking for with that damage right hand. He's outside the points tonight. The Portuguese man down in 16th place. Danny Pedrosa's made a good start. Number 26 is in 12th place at the moment. He is the leading KTM. Miller getting it sideways and swerving around that Ducati going on the brakes into turn 3. Jack Miller in 9th place. Yellow flags in the background then. Who's gone down? Danny Pedrosa, just as we said it, I think Danny Pedrosa's race has come to an end already. Something's happened to number 26 over at turn 3. Now that Jack Miller did finally get through on Aleix Espargaro. This will be a red flag. This has got to be. Is someone else down there? Is that Savadori as well? What's happened here? This is a red flag. This has got to be a red flag. Red flag's coming.
Insiden.
Something has happened here over. Yeah, red flag out. Race stop. Turn 3 yet again. Turn 3 yet again. Something's going on here between the latest
Insiden MotoGP, jadi pertandingan dihentikan dulu.
Savadori has crashed because Savadori's bike is there and Danny Pedrosa as well. Danny Pedrosa's okay as well. I've got a feeling, Matt, that Savadori's crashed his bike or something. He's gone steaming up towards. I mean, let's wait and see what happens. But hopefully, by the looks of both riders are okay. Danny Pedrosa, what a relief it is to see that he's up on his feet. Danny Pedrosa up. Not the way he was hoping to return to MotoGP. Lorenzo Savadori, we hope that Savadori's okay as well. To turn 3 again, we had that horrendous, horrifying, super scary crash there last year with the contact between Zarco and Morbidelli when, of course, the miracle escapes for Vinales and Rossi, and yet again with Pedrosa and Savadori. We were just about to complete lap number 3 of what had already been a really dramatic Styrian Grand Prix. Wow, what has happened here? I mean, we saw... Well, this is a humongous cleanup operation now. It really is. We saw a terrifying accident here last year. One that took us all by surprise. Jorge Martin here. Everyone just coming back into pit lane. Well, but it's another incident at turn 3 that has brought a red flag out. Over the line, Steve, Danny Pedrosa was 12th and Savadori was way back in 21st place. So they weren't racing each other, were they? No, that's what makes me wonder what on earth has happened. You can see them. Let's have a look here. We know riders are okay. What has happened here? Oh no, Pedrosa has high-sided. His bike's in the middle of the circuit, and I think then Savadori's clattered into it. Yeah, and he's just obviously ruptured fuel tanks everywhere. And we've got a fireball red flag, and this is going to be a really lengthy cleanup operation here.